Hello friends. So first of all, today is 5th September. Today is Teachers Day. It used to be a very happy day for me because I love my teachers. Right from my school to my college to anywhere where I have learned anything. I love my teachers. You can say I was a teacher's pet all throughout my student life. But why I say that it was one of my favorite date is because in 2013 on this day my father passed away. It's been 4 years, but still somewhere in somehow I can't still believe that he's gone. I still believe that if I go to my like Micah, my parental house, there he will be, or when I am in a trouble and I know that I need to talk to my father, I think I can just call him up and talk to him. When you lose a parent, it's such a feeling that never goes away, whether it's 4 years or 14 years or 40 years. Somehow something will always remind you that a big part of your life is missing. But my father was a very jovial man. I get my sense of humor from him. He always found a ray of sunshine even in the crappiest of situations. So I'll not be down with sad thoughts on this day just because he passed away on this day. Anyway, so here I am for another unboxing. This is a newly launched the Queen box. If you're interested to know what I got in this box, do keep on watching. I did a video, the fan sound was very bad, so I decided to switch off the fan and put on the AC. But somehow this AC is not working. Anyway, how do you like this choker? I got it from Forever 21. This is the first time I got a choker for myself. Now, first of all, I like to tell you about the beautiful packaging. It's almost like a gift wrap. It is a gift wrap. Like, even if I didn't know that what it was, I could have thought that someone very near to me had sent me a gift. So let's open it. They tried to put it in too much, since it was paper. Oh, just look how beautiful this is. There is not one but two ribbons, one here and here. It is definitely one of the most beautiful boxes I have received so far. It is little dented, but I hope nothing is broken inside. So let's open it. Tra-la! What a beautiful satin bow. And first of all, there is a handwritten note. Hello gorgeous, your shimmer box is here. This month theme is Shine Bright. Thanks to subscribe us. Hope you like the things inside. Regards, Sapna. Thank you, Sapna. So here is the info card. There's a necklace of $3.99, jhumki earring, stone earrings, hair clips, and a fuchsia face mask. So let's open. First of all, see how beautifully individually each of the items are wrapped, which I love the most, because when they are jumbled up together, chances are of things getting broken. So I'll start with the earrings. I'll be listing all the details below to check it out. Okay, I need to use the scissor. She has really packed it well. And the bell rings. What is it? Whenever I try to shoot something, the bell rings. As I was saying, the first is a beautiful red jhumki. Let's open it all the more. I never ever have a jhumki like this. This is so cute. Just look at this. This is plastic, I think. Yeah, this is plastic. Oops. Me and my clumsiness. So this is focus. This is how they look. Looks like a good make. Okay, not a very good make, I must say. It just fell. Oh, no, it didn't fall off. It is my mistake. Okay, so these are detachable. See, so you can wear it as a stud, or you can put it and wear it as a jhumka. Even you can put it in other studs you have and make it a piece of your own. So let's go to the next one. This one, oh, this is the stone earring. This is again a gorgeous piece. Beautiful color, beautiful color. Neither too big, neither too small, just perfect. Again, it's quite heavy, I can hold it. It's not one of those cheap things. And look at the stones. Really beautiful. Love it so far. So this is the hair clip. Okay, this kind of clips I can use. Okay, this is how they look. Must say, her packing is really sturdy. Yeah, very simple. But this kind of clips are okay. What's wrong with me today? This is how they look. Okay, and not very sure on. Yes, they are supposed to go like this. And here is the neck piece. Wow, this neck piece is long and beautiful. Wow, this is something I love. So far, this is the favorite piece. I think I can wear it just like that. Yes, and it's going so well with this choker, don't you think? It's beautiful. Just see, very sturdy and goes perfectly well with any dress. You can see I'm wearing a kurti. I can wear it with a dress, with everything. This will be perfect. And this is adjustable. Like, I have not opened it, but you can see you can make it even longer. So last but not the least is my favorite brand, Fuchsia. And let's see which so far I've actually used only one of Fuchsia mask, and which is the charcoal one. And this is Ver face mask with kiwi and asparagus. So it says it has rose water, kaolin light, china clay, glycerin, aloe vera, bentonite powder, asparagus powder, kiwi fruit dried powder, vitamin E. So I'm guessing it will be a hydrating mask, but I'm not very sure. I have to just look around. So that was the last item. So these are the things that came in my queen box. The price of each were, the neck piece is $3.99, which seems right about right. The chunky earring is $149, I'll say very decently priced. The stone earrings is $199. Okay, the hair clip is $99, which is very true. They are about that price. And the face mask is $250 rupees. So quite a good box, quite reasonable. I don't remember the price of it exactly now, but it wasn't much. I'll be linking everything below, you can check there. So if you're looking for a decent jewelry, skincare box this month, give the queen box a try. You will not be disappointed. So that's all for this box. Like the video, do give it a thumbs up and stay subscribed. I am at 199. Just spread the word. Please let me reach 200, and going in a holiday at the end of this month. So maybe I'll get something from you all from my holidays. So that's all for now. See you soon. Bye.